I'm going to show you how to make this easy chicken satay with homemade satay sauce. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. These Thai chicken skewers are juicy and succulent and slightly charred on the outside, and they're served with a delicious spicy peanut sauce. It's really quick and easy to prepare, even with the marinating time. We're going to start by soaking the skewers in some water to prevent them burning under the grill. I've got 3 chicken breasts that have been sliced into long, thin strips. I've placed them in a bowl, and to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Next in goes 2 minced garlic cloves, 200 ml or 7 ounces of full-fat canned coconut milk, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, and a quarter of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Mix that all together using your hands and massage the sauce into the chicken for a minute. Cover the bowl and place in the fridge to marinate for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. Whilst the chicken's marinating, we're going to make the satay sauce. So to a small saucepan, we want to add 3 heaped tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Now add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 200 ml or 7 ounces of full-fat canned coconut milk, half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground coriander. Heat the sauce over a medium heat while stirring with a wooden spoon. The sauce will look quite thin at first, but then as it comes close to boiling point, it will start to thicken. We don't actually want to let it come to the boil, but as it's approaching boiling point, just turn down the heat and keep stirring until it thickens. Then we'll turn off the heat and add the juice of a lime. Now we're going to make the chicken skewers. So I've taken the skewers out of the water and given them a good shake to remove any excess water. And we're going to thread the chicken onto those skewers and place them onto a plate. Brush a little oil on the griddle and then heat until smoking. Place the skewers on the griddle and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown, turning a couple of times during cooking. Place the cooked skewers on a plate and serve with that homemade satay sauce, and top with fresh coriander or cilantro and a few slices of red chilli. If you're anything like me and you love your toppings, you can also add some red onion, chilli flakes, sesame seeds and some chopped peanuts. And there we go, that's my easy satay chicken with homemade satay sauce. Easier to make than you might think. These also work great under the grill, or you can cook them on the barbecue too. See you next time.